Car air filter prevents dust, debris, and pollutants from entering the engine, ensuring efficiency. Today's video is about top 5 best car air filter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at StaunchAuto Car Air Filter. The StaunchAuto Air Filter is a high-quality, reliable solution for Subaru owners, compatible with multiple models including the 2019 to 2026 Ascent, 2018 to 2022 Crosstrek, 2017 to 2022 Impreza, excluding WRX/STI, 2021 to 2022 Legacy, 2020 to 2025 Outback, and 2015. Designed as a dual guardian system, the engine filter features durable ABS framing and premium filter paper, offering twice the lifespan of standard filters. The cabin filter uses coconut shell activated carbon to absorb odors and harmful gases, while its double-layer design achieves 99.9% efficient particle filtration. Multi-layer filtration ensures dust, impurities, and pollutants are effectively removed, delivering cleaner air to both the engine and cabin. Its low-resistance structure allows smooth airflow, reduces noise, and maintains comfortable air conditioning performance. Cost-effective and easy to replace every 6 months or 12,000 miles, it protects the engine, eliminates odors, and prevents costly repairs. A smart investment for a healthier, quieter, and more efficient driving experience. Now our second product is Vinms Car Air Filter. The StaunchAuto Engine Air Filter is a reliable replacement for GMC Terrain, 2018 to 2024, and Chevy Equinox, 2018 to 2024, compatible with part numbers CA12260, a 3226C, a 3240C, 232796578, 843900002, and WAF 3226. Crafted from premium high-fiber filter paper, it features a fine filtration layer that effectively captures dust and debris while maintaining smooth airflow, ensuring your engine performs efficiently. Its large dust-holding capacity means longer-lasting protection compared to standard filters, making it an ideal direct replacement for original equipment. Before purchasing, it's recommended to verify your car model using Amazon's accessories filter or by checking the models listed in the product images and descriptions. StaunchAuto also provides a 1-year warranty and responsive 24-hour online support, giving customers peace of mind. This air filter combines durability, efficiency, and convenience, offering a cost-effective solution to keep your engine clean and running smoothly while preventing potential costly repairs. Our third product is K&N Car Air Filter. K&N Engine Air Filters deliver exceptional performance, engineered to boost horsepower, improve acceleration, and enhance overall engine efficiency. Built with rugged, premium materials and state-of-the-art construction methods, these filters are designed to last a lifetime. Featuring 4 layers of cotton gauze treated with a specialized tacking agent, the filter forms an intricate mesh that effectively traps harmful contaminants while allowing optimal airflow. One of the standout benefits is longevity. Under normal highway driving, it only requires cleaning every 75,000 miles, making maintenance hassle-free. Installation is straightforward, as K&N filters come pre-treated and ready to drop into the factory airbox, providing an easy, cost-effective upgrade. Beyond performance, these filters are eco-friendly, washable, and reusable, reducing waste from disposable filters. Proudly made in the USA, K&N offers a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring quality, reliability, and peace of mind. Overall, it's a durable, high-performance investment for any vehicle owner seeking both efficiency and sustainability. Now number 4, RVgolf Car Air Filter. The RVgolf Air Filter set is an ideal replacement for Honda Civic, 2016 to 2026, 2.0L, and Honda HR-V, 2023, 2025 to 2026, 2.0L, specifically designed for naturally aspirated gasoline engines not compatible with turbo models or Civic hatchbacks. The engine air filter features a high-fiber structure with precise filtration, effectively removing 99% of airborne impurities to ensure cleaner air for your engine. The cabin AC filter uses multi-layer filtration materials to capture dust, pollen, and other pollutants, creating a healthier and fresher environment inside the vehicle. Its low-resistance design improves airflow efficiency, reduces engine noise, and ensures quieter AC operation. Compatible with engine filter numbers CA12051 and WA10416, and cabin filter numbers CF11182 and CP182, this set is easy to install with minimal effort, allowing drivers to replace it quickly. For optimal performance and protection, it is recommended to replace the filters every 12 months or 12,000 miles. RVgolf combines efficiency, durability, and convenience for a superior driving experience. And our last choice is KAX Car Air Filter. The KAX Premium Engine Air Filter CA10171 is an excellent replacement for Toyota Camry, 2007 to 2008 2.4L, 2010 to 2015, 2017 2.5L, and Vinms 2009 to 2015 2.7L. Designed for high performance, this filter uses oiled cotton gauze as its primary media, offering twice the lifespan of standard air filters, with mileage up to 20,000 miles before replacement. Its advanced filtration ensures 99.9% efficiency, keeping harmful dust and particles out of critical engine components. By maintaining optimal airflow, it improves acceleration, enhances engine performance consistency, and can even contribute to better fuel economy. The filter's embossed paper media provides triple protection, with excellent crease stability and a large dust-holding capacity, ensuring reliable filtration over long periods of use. Measuring 11.5 by 7.9 by 1.7 inches and packaged individually, this rectangular filter is a straightforward, high-quality replacement that protects your engine and supports smooth, efficient driving. KAX delivers durable, dependable performance for Toyota owners seeking a reliable upgrade. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.